Yeah, we're behind them. Go now, go now.
Please kill them, please kill them.
Nice!
Dead.
Zoomies.
Meow.
Fuck, we're gonna get disabled this time. I swear to God, if we get through again, it's gonna be ridiculous.
We're disabled, we have to go run them. This one, this one, this one. Nice!
Good shit, go, move on!
So they can't pull back.
Which one, which one?
Oh, behind stickies.
Light tank, light tank, light tank.
Collies are so corny.
Watch out, watch out.
Don't mind us.
This one's on you, Mr. LUV. This one right here.
Focus this one, focus. Focus right here.
Turn around, kill them!
Yes!
I picked up a fucking flask off of the guy's dead body. What the fuck? Oh, there are RTs here, man. We could so kill it. We're getting this HCD. Hop out, hop out.
Carly!
Well. Nice.
On the left.
Go for the proto first.
On the left. The white gun, the white gun. Right gun, right gun. And pull back, pull back, pull back.
Right here, stop right here.
That's easy.
Shake it, shit.
Go, move up, right here, follow me, sticky rushers, follow me.